What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. And as you guys can see, your boy got a big package here, man. Another upgrade for the 350Z Nismo. Let me show you guys what it is, man. Let me open this up real quick and I'll get back to y'all. You guys are probably like, what did he order now, man? As you guys can see, yep, if you guys know what that means, you guys know. Yep. If you guys don't know by now what this is, man, your boy ordered. You guys ready? Your boy ordered 350Z JDM clear taillights, man. Also known as Nissan 350Z Jspec taillights. Oh my god. Let me fix this box. As you guys can see, your boy got clear taillights. And if you guys are an OG subscriber, OG watcher, OG whatever, you guys know that your boy had these taillights on his old 350Z DE, the white one, and I traded them for stocks before I sold the car, not knowing how much these taillights were worth and how hard they are to find on the streets. So your boy bought them brand new from the Nissan dealership in I don't even know where the fuck it was from. Let me see if it says it here. I can't remember. From Orland Park, wherever the hell that is. And they were on sale. These normally go for like $500 plus tax and shipping. I got them on sale for $100 off, so I had to hop on them because I wasn't finding them locally. So pretty much, man, let's grab this hair taillight, this beautiful piece. I don't know if it's dark. I don't know if you guys can see or not. It might be a little too dark. But this is gonna change the game, man. I'm not gonna install them tonight just because it's dark and I don't want to chip or crack or mess anything up. I'm just gonna inspect them, make sure everything looks good, just in case, you know, because sometimes shit happens. You might have to send them back. But yeah, I'll install them tomorrow, but I'll get back to you guys in a couple of seconds since you guys, you know, you guys are watching the video and I gotta wait the whole day. So yeah, I'll be back. So there you guys have it, man. Your boy got JDM 350Z taillights, also known as, like I said, JDM Jspec 350Z clear taillights. They look weird when they're not on the car, and you know, some people hate them, some people like them. It's my car, my build, and I love these taillights. I sold my other ones, like I said, because personally I don't like them on white Z's, and the Z I had before this, when I had the taillights, was a white DE, and I wasn't expecting to hop back into the Z chassis, so I sold them. My favorite color to rock those clear taillights is the red one. The red Z looks the best with them, and then, you know, the black looks also good, and the silver one, it's alright. And then, you know, the Nismo only comes with so many colors, but for the regular Z's, they look nice on the dark blue. I think it's San Marino blue, the reds, and yeah, man. So I'll get back to you guys tomorrow when we install them, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to install taillights. And like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys want to order these yourself. I don't know if they're having a sale on them still, but if they are, hop on it. And yeah, I'll get you guys tomorrow. Alright, it's the next day, and we're gonna be installing the taillights. So here we go. First things first, here's the tools you're gonna need. 10mm socket, flathead to take the plastic covers off for the taillights. Let's go take a look at the car real quick. Let me show you guys a little before with the OEM red taillights. Feel me? Not bad, but the clear is just gonna, you know, change the look up on the car. Let's get a close up. Alright, let's start the job. First things first. Pop the trunk. As you guys can tell, these are the caps I was talking about. I'm missing 2 on each top. Who cares? Let's go grab the tail lights, bring them out here. You got 1 cap, 2 cap, and then 3 caps, but mine's is missing, so that one's already off. If you got long nails, you could probably pull those up, but your boy doesn't have long nails, so it's 1, it's 2, it's 1, it's 2. Alright, next step is going to be taking off these 10 mils. Okay, all 3 bolts are out, all 3 10 mils. This should just pop right up. Make sure you don't yank on it though. You don't want to fuck them up. And there's also a wire for the tail lights to pretty much light up the light. Hold on, let me pop this out real quick. Tail light is out, as you can see. It's just 1 wire right there. You're gonna unclip that, and then the bulb piece, and that's it. Okay, here we go. Just a little compare and contrast. These are both tail lights, all red, 06 to 08, and then the red with the clear. So all it is just the 3 10s, and then this little connector. It's an easy install and easy disconnect, man. So let me install them real quick and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I was trying to figure out why this wasn't going in, but I forgot these are right hand drive, pretty much JDM tail lights that come from Japan. So as you can see here, this connector for this light is backwards. So pretty much what you're gonna want to do is either, you know, swap them on the clear ones, or you could just take the old ones off and put them on these ones. And you know, if you're not gonna run your red ones, or if you're gonna sell them, I suggest just swapping them, swapping both of them, so you know it's right for the American left-hand drive. As you can see on the connector, this piece right here would go in, but it has to be on this side, and it's on this side. So like I said, just swap them. Swap the other one onto this one and this one onto that one. All you do is open up this circle piece, and then they have this plug that you just pull out right here. It's pretty easy. And then you take the screwdriver, click the clip, pull this off, swap them around. Alright, so I was struggling on how to figure out how to get this damn clip off. It doesn't pull up straight away. So here's what you do. Found out the secret. Pretty much put the flathead under one side and push up, flathead on the other side, and just keep doing the same process until, you know, pushes up all the way. Just keep you know, prying it up on each side with the flathead. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get back to you guys, but yeah, that's the trick. So if you guys get these, make sure you pry them up on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2, and eventually it'll pop off. Okay, as you can see, I got it off. So whilst you're doing the screwdriver technique on each side, pull with your other hand. So pry with one hand and pull this up with your other hand, and it's gonna come off. So all I gotta do now is just grab the other taillight. Let me switch this out real quick, and then time for the install. Well guys, ran into another problem. No matter which way you put these JDM taillight, the rear ends, it's still the same way. So I'm guessing you're gonna have to take your OEM ones off of your USDM taillights and put them on here. So if you're buying these, make sure you have a set of these, I'm guessing, because I swapped them and they're still the same way now that I went to go plug it in. So another fail that I did, but it's okay, you know, at least I'm showing you guys everything you need pretty much. So I'll put this at the starting of the video. You're gonna need one of these USDM taillight, pretty much one of the taillight clips that plugs into lights. So yeah, let me take this off, put it on this one, and then I'll get back to you guys. And there you have it, man, the USDM light plug pretty much onto the JDM taillights. Now let's install them, and hopefully everything goes good this time, because we've been having some minor setbacks. I'll be back. That did the trick. So let's fit these on, and here we have it. Make sure I got my keys on me. Oh, hey. Before, after. Oh, hey. Them shits is hard. Before, after. Alright, let me install the second one and then I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Saying goodbye to good old friends. In the arms of the angel. I gotta sing myself because I don't want to get copyrighted. Anyways, I'm not selling them, I'm keeping them. Keeping everything. Everything I take off the car, pretty much I'm keeping, just in case I ever want to go back to stocking, you know. I could just sell all the parts and just go back to stock. Exhaust, you know, everything else. But I'm going to keep those. But yeah, let's get this last one changed out with the USDM light plug, and I'll get them on and show you guys how the car looks, man. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you guys ready for the final results? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, hey. Ooh, hey. Them bitches is hard. I'm not gonna lie, they got some growing on me to get used to, because I'm used to seeing my car with the reds, but these is hard. And even if I decide to sell them, so much people are on the hunt for these that I'm pretty sure I can make my money back whether I want to get rid of them or not. But we're gonna rock them for now, man. They look good. So yeah, guys, like I said, slowly but surely, got a sneak peek for you guys. That's all I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna be the next install. If you guys are on the hunt for Megan test pipes, I am selling them. Let me know. HR, VHR, Megan test pipes. Front bumper's gonna go back on. Just trying to get tuned. Put the 3-inch intakes, get tuned. So I haven't put that back on yet. If I don't get tuned anytime soon, bumper's gonna go on and I'll take it off when I go to the tuner. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys like them or you don't like them? If you like them, I'm gonna drop a poll down below whether or not you guys like them. Comment on the post. Let me know why you like them, why you don't like them. And yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. It's your boy Nick Stacks, aka Nismo Nick. I'm out. Peace.